Hey, what's up guys? Today I go sneeze on people like this. Oh man. Sorry man, do you know where can I find some pharmacy or something? Yeah, because oh, it's like very bad. You know where is the pharmacy or something? It says, yeah. How's your area? Okay, I go.
But this bag even worse, I fail already.
You okay? Yeah, man. This is kind of. Oh god, this is cameraman. How you know this? How you know this? Okay, thank you. Oh, girls, do you know where can I find some pharmacy? Because you know it's like every time. You know. Oh, you see? It's like it's very bad, you know. Guys, sorry, do you know where can I find some pharmacy? Because I just...
There's a clinic.
Yeah, this one? Upstairs, here, okay.
I saw it.
Yeah, you have on your back here, like, you know. Yeah, it's still there. Yeah, it's fine. Yeah, thank you. Yeah, actually, guys, we are filming prank video. Yeah, it's on for your back.
I think the coughing covered it.
Yeah, like we're just joking, girls. It's a funny spray for we're joking for YouTube. It's a prank video.
Okay.
This is a camera, you see?
Oh.
Yeah, I'm joking, you see? Wow, it's not working. You see? We need other one. Yeah.